food banditers, welcome to the Bandit's Kitchen. Once again, I'm so happy to meet you here today. Today we're going to make a cake, and I'm going to make an eggless cake. I know some of us don't like eggs and some are allergic to eggs, but they like cake, and you wonder, how can there be a cake without eggs? But this night we're going to try a cake without eggs. I'm sure it's going to be awesome. This is freshly squeezed orange juice. You can use water, plain water, if you don't have oranges. 50 grams sugar and quarter cup powdered milk. My sifted flour. This is all-purpose flour. I have 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I've already added my baking powder in here. I have added 1 1/4 tablespoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt is already here. This is our oil. I'm using peanuts oil. Going to mix my sugar and milk together. You can skip the milk if you're a full vegetarian. You can skip the milk, or you can use any plant-based milk of your choice. Okay. We're going to just add our flour, then add the oil, a cup of liquid milk, essence. If you have vanilla extract, you can add, or you can skip it all together. So let's carry our batter, and we're pouring in. So you do this to let all the air escape. Okay, so this optional, you can just drop some raisins on top. It's time to cut it. So you can see our eggless cake. You won't really get that fluffiness from cake because there is no egg, but it's just like call it like a custard cake. Okay, this is our eggless cake. You should give it a try at home. The taste of the orange, the peanut oil I used, they all came out, and it has this custardy feel in the mouth. Okay, so it's full in the mouth, and very thirsty. So give it a try. And if you love your eggs in your cake, definitely go for it. But this is so tasty too. And another thing is, you can do what we call the flaxseed egg. Then what you have to do is you soak like 2 spoons of flaxseed in water, allow it to swell up, and you get that slimy feel. So if you have money for flaxseed, you could use it in place of eggs. Thank you for staying with us. Comment and let us know how it went with you. Thank you. Bye-bye.